Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. See, I don't have a presentation right now. Actually, I was not prepared for this, but still, I would like to present a small, presentation about Sharia-based financing, that is Musharaka. Already, some people have already spoken on this, particularly Reber. It is very similar to the same model, but Baitul Nasser as a cooperative credit society, how we are financing on this basis. Before that, I would just like to give a brief idea about this, that we have started financing on this model in the year about 2015. But unfortunately, at present, we have to stop this financing, this profit sharing loan, because of some few bad experiences. Because it is a very risky and very uh, difficult finance, where we have to bear the loss of the our partner. In that case, we have to be very much careful, because the money which we are financing to the borrower is actually borrowed from the depositors. We have to return the money to the depositor also. So taking care of that particular deposits, we have to stop this scheme at present in our organization, because of few borrowers who have not, complied with the policy of the uh, profit sharing law. So I'll just give you some brief idea about this thing, that we finance only to the borrower who are ethically and legally in the business, which are acceptable to the society, and they have to undertake with us that they will not divert the finance which we have provided to them in some other business. This is the first condition, that we have finance to a person, he will not divert his capital to some other business or for some other use of finance for his personal gain or something like that. The term of the whole finance we have to decide in advance. That is the tenure of the loan. Will it be for 1 year, 5 year, or whatever is the period? And during that period, they have to complete their project. They have to give all their data. They have to share their all their deposits and whatever, whatever investment they have made, whatever profit they have made, whatever purchases they have made, and all these things. They have to share with us with the transparency. There is a limit of maximum amount how much we will finance to them. It depends on the total finance of the total loan portfolio of the organization. We can finance only up to 30% of the total loan portfolio. Like for example, if you have 10 crores of loan outstanding, only 30% of that we will finance in this particular category of loan. I'll give you only brief idea about this, because I don't have much time to explain you about this. The borrower shall repay the loan along with the service charges, that is the profit thereon, in the manner agreed upon, that is in equal installments spread over the total tenure of the loan. The profit of the business which is generated from time to time, the borrower has to share with the society in that tenure, which is spread over the time. Like for example, the loan tenure is for about 36 months. So every quarterly or whatever the period we have decided in advance, they have to share, they have to pay that profit in that particular time. Or if we agreed in advance that the profit will be share or profit will be paid on realization of the project. If the project is about for 1 year or 2 year, after completing of the project, at that time the profit will be calculated and then it will be shared with the society. Secondly, we also take some security for that land loan only in case of some kind of mischief is taken place, some kind of fraud is taken place. So we have to be careful on the our side. So we have to take some security for the loan, and we hypothecate some machineries, goods, and inventories. We also mortgage some properties, or in case of some deposit, if they have some deposit of the with the organization or somewhere else, we also lien that deposit also. We also take cross check as security in some cases, as a security of the loan. Apart from this, we also take two guarantors for the loan. That is again for some kind of mischief or anything which takes place. We have to take some two guarantors from the membership, from the members itself. that they will give the guarantee of the business or they will give the guarantee of the loan. That in that if something happens, so we can approach to the guarantor also. The borrower has to maintain a books of account in a manner that can be transparently shared with the society. In our case, where we have to stop the loan from this organization, mainly because of some of the borrowers have not given us the proper data of their business. They have not shared their books of account with us. They have not shared their debtors and creditors and other business. So this is our main. These are the main some of the points which we are running organization in our area. And so far we have given about 15 to 16 such borrows of loan to the tune of about 5 crore rupees, of which 1 crore is now outstanding, and that is also some loan we have to convert in mortgage loan also, because after the COVID incident, some of the business have just closed down, and some of the business have just just fall down, and because of that we have to convert those loans into mortgage loan. So these were some of the important points of this particular policy. It's a very huge policy. If someone would like to discuss in detail, they can contact me. Thank you, sir.